Today's episode of 5 Minute Face, we're doing only SPF products with tints, concealers. Like, they have put SPF in so many makeup products that I wanted to show you a makeup look using all of my favorite makeup SPFs. So this is a look and let's get into it. I'm already kind of cheating in this video because I'm using my first product and it's not SPF, but we still need to prep our skin. It doesn't matter. I mean, I'm sorry, I don't have skin prep that's SPF. So we're just gonna start with a simple layer of skin prep. So these are your favorite exfoliating pads, so I'm just gonna wipe that everywhere just to get the base of my skin perfectly prepped and hydrated for everything else. Also for my skin prep is the Typology 9 ingredient moisturizer, and it is such a good everyday, non-toxic, clean ingredients, hydrates the skin perfectly and it's not too much. Because sometimes with SPFs especially, they can just sit on the skin. The COLORESCIENCE Flex SPF 50 in color medium. It's a mineral SPF and I'm gonna use it to base my makeup. I love applying it because it goes on white and then it blends in to match your skin tone. It's crazy. I love this product. I'm actually heading out the door in a second to go get breakfast burritos and to the farmer's market with my dog and my boyfriend. So I just want something that's gonna be light and protect my skin and also make me look like I'm put together a little bit. Also from COLORESCIENCE is the Total Eye SPF 30 3-in-1. And I just pump out a little bit of the product and then kind of like smear it in under the eyes. And you can see the color is a little bit of that salmony undertone, so it's going to color correct and conceal without looking like I actually have makeup on. And after going through my collection, you know what I wish I had for this video that I realize I don't have is any powder type of SPF. Like, I know a lot of brands do make powder SPFs, but I just like I don't have one. Next, I'm gonna use the Sculpt and Protect from CIELE. I absolutely love this brand, so I'm just gonna heat up some of the product on the back of my hand. This is in color medium. I kind of wish it was a little bit cooler or something. Like, I don't know, I feel like I could get away with it being a little bit less, but it does blend in. It blends in really well. Just adding a little bit of a sun-kissed glow. And I also want to use a little bit of that product just on my lids. If you bring out the color like this, it will kind of like lift and sculpt your face. One of my favorite little blushes, this is from CIELE as well, and it's the Blush and Protect SPF 50 Mineral. Couple dots. And this is in color Bahati. This little concealer stick has been in the queue for such a long time. It's the Clé de Peau Concealer in SPF 27. So I love to warm up the product on the back of my hand because it is quite full coverage if you're not careful. And then I'll use my fingers and just kind of press it in on top, just to make sure I do have a little bit of conceal going on under my eyes, but every person is different. I just prefer it in certain areas. And then for brows, I'm honestly just brushing them up because it's Sunday, that's all we need. This is the Unseen Sunscreen Stick. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this and just kind of highlight ever so slightly. The glow one is also amazing. I just can't find it. Little lash curl if that is all we're doing to our eyes. A holy grail lip product is this one from PREQUEL SPF, and this is in color Rose Dust. It's the only lip product I've ever used that doesn't taste like SPF, if you've ever had that. And that completes the makeup look, except one little bonus. I'm gonna use this Good Weather Skin SPF Glow just to my neck and my chest because, well, we need everything to be protected, of course. And this one's very serum-like with no white cast, so I don't feel like I have to work too hard to blend it in. And I really love that subtle glow that it gives me. And that completes today's makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. I was always curious about doing this, if I could do a full face of makeup with SPF. So let me know what you guys think of the look. I think it looks really good for all being SPF. I'll see you guys in the next episode.